our fifth artist, 5 out of 9. We have here a multi-talented performer with, of course, pop flair and rock authenticity. Palakpakan po natin, Enzo Almario! Ito si Enzo, napaka-powerful talaga ng voice niya. We have seen him sa Idol Philippines and also just this year, 2025, Tawag ng Tanghalan. Congratulations, Enzo. As one of the most powerful voices, I'm sure Sir John will tell us more later on, and we are so excited for this journey. With Enzo, he joined Idol Philippines, as mentioned earlier, just this year, Tawag ng Tanghalan, and has 200,000 followers on TikTok. So guys, go ahead and follow him on TikTok, and I'm sure we are so excited to see kung ano ba. Alright, congratulations, Enzo, and congratulations.
Congratulations, Enzo, and welcome back to Star Pop. And what a way to start this new era kasi yung just released album mo is charting on iTunes. Yun nga kasi sabi lang kanina, it's on top 5 and it features reimagination, yung bago niyang interpretation of well-loved songs in an Enzo Almario way of interpreting it. Congratulations, please check out the album. It's just released under Star Pop. Marami pa kaming plano for Enzo. Please watch out for next projects na maririnig niyo yung boses ni Enzo.
Thank you so much, Sir John. Yun nang sasabihin mo, Enzo, go! Mensahe mo.
First of all, thank you so much po sa Star Pop family for accepting me. Madami akong atraso sa kanila. Super thankful ako for welcoming me again sa kanilang family. And of course, to everyone here in the media, maraming salamat po for your time today. And sana po spread niyo po ang news about our songs and lahat ng Star Pop artists po. Maraming salamat, and I'm so excited to be part of Star Pop PH family, and marami pa tayong adventures together. Maraming salamat po. I love you all.
Thank you.